Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Zapier Sync not working 2026. There can be several common reasons. API or server issues. Temporary backend problems or downtime can interrupt Zaps and data syncing. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable internet can prevent tasks from running properly. Authentication issues. Expired connections, invalid API keys, or disconnected accounts can stop syncing. Trigger or action misconfiguration. Incorrect setup of a Zap, wrong filters, or missing fields can prevent workflows from running. App integration limitations. Some connected apps may have restrictions, rate limits, or permission issues. Task limits exceeded. Reaching your plan's monthly task limit can pause or limit automations. Security or permission restrictions. Changes in account access or revoked permissions can break sync. If the issue continues, reconnect your accounts, review your Zap setup, check task history, and contact Zapier support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.